So sometimes with trade-ins, you never know what you're gonna get. And here's one that I got today. Guy came and bought a new Murray from me. Just got tired of messing with this one. It's actually in really, really good shape, and it is a Kmart mower. It's made by Murray though, so I don't have a clue when this thing was manufactured. Actually, I don't know if y'all can see on here. If I can get close enough, the date is November 16th of 1973. So this thing right here is old. We're talking, gosh, it's just shy of 50 years old, isn't it? About 45. So, and it still has compression. No spark plug in it right now. I don't have any spark, mostly because I think that the coil is gapped way too far from the flywheel. So I just got to put that back. And the engine cover is also reflecting that this was made in 1973 as well. So I think everything about this thing is original, which is cool. Yeah, because there's the manufacture date of the engine. It says 73-10-05, so you're talking October of 1973 is when this engine was made. The deck is in really good shape. It kind of reminds me of a Wizard push mower I had a couple years ago before I started doing videos. Looked exactly like it. It was from 1968. And it's in just as good a shape too. It'd be really cool if I could get this one going again. I think I might be able to, as long as everything's still alright on. I mean, it's a complete mower. I have everything for it. It didn't come with a spark plug, but that's about the only thing it didn't have when I got it. And the bolts to mount the engine cover on, I don't have those either, but got everything else with it. I think I just got to lube that up. I actually don't know if that spring is working, but we'll inspect that to see if it is. First off, let me see if I can get spark out of this thing. See if I can actually get it to go again. We'll check the oil in it to see how it looks. Let's see what we got here. It's got some oil in it. I could probably top it off though. I got it on the upslope, that way I didn't have it all running all out onto the ground and stuff. So let me put this coil back, take it off, brush it off, and see what we might have. I know it's also missing the spring here between here and there, so that might have something to do with it as well. But let me source those couple parts and see what we have. So this video is not going to be very long because this mower, I guess you can say, is kind of an analogy for Kmart, as in it was going really strong in the 70s, and then they just tried to keep working, trying to keep the old model working, and it's finally bit the dust. Mower's not worth saving. The deck's in very good shape. I wish that I had a use for it, but this might be just throw it out on the curb and let somebody else have fun at it. You can look inside there. You can see that there's pretty good scoring on the cylinder walls there, the engine, and that this mower's pretty much toast. Probably low compression, which is why it's not sparking very strong. So Ferris is kind of cool nonetheless. See a Kmart mower from the 70s that was actually working until it came to me. It survived 45 years. So way to go, Briggs, on making a good engine in the 70s. And I'm going to end this video here. Hope y'all found this kind of interesting and cool. Never really seen one of these before, granted how old it was. And still got my money, still got what I wanted out of the other mower that I traded it for. So it's all good. I'll rob some parts off of it and all that. But until next time, thank y'all for watching.